Hey there, my name is Josh, and I run the Troops to Engineers program here at San Diego State University. For those of you going to SDSU, my office is located in the Veterans Center. Since 2011, we've supported thousands of military-connected students transitioning from service to civilian careers. Our mission here at Troops to Engineers is to support the career development of student veterans majoring in engineering, computer science, and management information systems. Your transition from service to civilian careers is not an easy one, and we understand that. That's why we're here, to help make sure your job search is a little less discouraging. Even if you're not an SDSU student, we're committed to giving you the resources and support to excel in your job search and throughout your career. Remember, if you're not networking, you're not working. So don't miss out. Follow us across all our platforms for expert advice, real opportunities, and a community that's ready to help you succeed. Hit that follow button and thank me later.